Oh, me axle! It's bust!
Oh! Now it's 2 against 3. Oh. They'll never win.
I'm Chug Patrol and I'm in control.
Oh, I'll get it fixed, lads. Just put me where I can watch. I'm not missing this. The rules allow you to substitute another Chuggineer.
Brewster! He'll be back soon.
We can still do this, Fletch.
But I'm too far away to help. Oh, I'll never get back in time.
Chug, 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 chug! Fastest Chugginton delivery ever, Payce! Hi, Brewster!
Oh, Coco! I wish I was fast like you. The Chuggineers need me.
You can be! 3 engines are better than 1.
Yeah, we'll help you get back super quick.
Let's go!
Can't keep this up tight.
We have to, Fletch!
I'm so tired.
Come on, Chuggineers! Show your mettle!
Fender to fender.
Oh, I can't watch.
Oh, no. It's going to take a miracle.
Speed League Special Delivery!
Magic!
Come on, Chuggineers! Oh!
Is back!
Fantastic, Brewster!
Super strong.
Come on!
That's it! We can do it! Oh!
So much easier with 3.
Good work, teams.
I'm puffed.
Me too. Come on, speed team. Well done. You did it.
Houses. Would you like a go, Harrison?
Yes, thanks, but I'm very busy.
I thought you said you had nothing to do.
Yes, but I hear V calling. Must run.
He never did like getting wet.
Whew. I think I did all right.
You've all done brilliantly. I'm really...
Dunbar to platform 1. Urgently, please.
Sorry, Chuggers. That's it for now.
Oh, but I want to ride some more storms.
So I need you to go to the foundry and sort it out.
Will do, V. I'll be gone for a few hours, though. That's a long run.
What should we do now? Play with the Stormmaker again. We can't. It only works when Dunbar talks to it. Anyway, it's not a toy, Wilson.
Let's go to the park.
Yeah, come on, Wilson. No thanks. I'm going to stay here.
Can't catch me. Chugga, chugga, chugga.
Stormmaker? Stormmaker? Hello? Oh, bumpers. I wish my voice sounded like Dunbar's. Oh, maybe I could sound like Dunbar if I practiced. Ahem. All right, young chuggers. Nope, too high. Deeper, deeper, deeper. Yes, that's deep, very deep. My name is Dunbar. I have a deep voice and an accent. Not bad. Hello, Stormmaker.
Stormmaker active. Hello, Dunbar.
Yay! Oops. Oh, perfecto. Stormmaker. Full storm, please. Strong as you can. Level, 300.
Stand by.
Whoa!
And it's that.
Take care then.
Anyone there? Hello? Hello?
Oh, poor Pete. He must be lonely. Hold tight, Pete.
Oh, a little ride around will really cheer me up.
Oh, no! And just what do you think you're doing, young Chugger?
Pete wants to go for a drive.
Sorry, he's not going anywhere. He's a very poorly puffer, Pete.
No, I'm just...
That's enough from you. Now run along, dear. Peter needs to rest.
Sorry, Pete.
You got me, Coco.
I I found a really good place to hide. Can't find Coco.
1, 2, 3. Ready or not, here I come.
Ah! Brewster, that was my hiding place.
Found you. Oh.
Sorry. Oh, go on. It'd really lift me spirits.
Oh, well, maybe just a little ride around then. But after that, it's straight back for a nap.
Woohoo!
Aha! They'll never find me in here.
Phew, there's lots to do.
Hi, Coco. Where's Irving?
He left me in charge.
Wow, you're the boss?
Yes. I wish I had someone to work for me, though. Ooh, what are you doing, Wilson?
Nothing.
Traintastic. You can be my assistant.
Does that mean you're gonna boss me around?
Of course not. Right. First, let's tip everything into the crusher.
Hey, I love the crusher.
Wait, I'm going to do that. I'm in charge, remember? You can stack those pallets.
But...
And make sure they're neat.
Okay.
Go round the other side of the crusher and see if everything's gone through.
No problemo. Uh-oh. It's come through all right, but...
Great!
Coco, you'd better come and look.
On my way! Oh no! Why didn't you put something there to catch them?
Because you never asked me to, bossy wheels.
Do I have to think of everything? Oh no! Stop it! Ooh!
Slowing, and stopping. Irving to V.
Yes, Irving.
Is everything running smoothly in the recycling yard?
One moment, please.
Irving wouldn't put that much in at once.
Look, I'm in charge, not you.
Everything going okay, trainees?
Oh, yes, V. Fine, thanks.
No.
Fantastic! Oh no! Harrison, can you take over?
Of course.
And tell V I'm in trouble!
Calling all Chug patrollers. We have a runaway Chugger. It's Coco.
Look out! I can't stop!
Coco! I'm on my way, Coco.
Help, Hanzo!
Stay calm. I need to find something heavy. Extra weight will slow you down. Oh no!
What should I do?
Find a mountain. Steep climb slow you down.
I'll head for Rocky Ridge!
I'll get help!
This is wowza, Callie! Woohoo!
Jackman to Wilson and Callie.
Report, Jackman.
Coco's lost control and is heading your way.
Oh no! Coco's in trouble!
It's up to you to stop her.
I have an idea! Over and out! Here she comes! Hurry, Wilson! Okay, we're Chug Patrol and we're in control!
Good luck, Chug patrollers.
What's that? Don't worry. We're ready to rescue you, Coco. Treat-tastic. Wheels crossed. Uh-oh. Even Chug Patrol can't stop me. Brewster making ballast ahead. Ballast? Brewster! Drop ballast on the track. Now! Uh-oh. Wilson to Jackman.
Report, Chug patroller.
There's water in Longload Tunnel, deep enough enough to cause problems.
Action needed?
We should close the line and reroute traffic.
Okay, wait there. I'll send Hodge and Eddie. Over and out.
Oh, Hanzo! He's gonna think I've forgotten him.
Where is Emery?
Brewster, have you seen Emery?
No, sorry, Hanzo.
It is most unusual. Emery is extremely reliable.
Stop number 3, Water Tower Way.
Passengers will be waiting and nobody else knows my route.
Checker Junction.
I do not think I can go to Chugginton.
Stop number 5, Covered Bridge.
My shadow. What is stop number 6?
Spindle Hill Station.
Coco, go and get your carriages. You are doing my evening run.
Really? Train-tastic!
Missing Chugger alert. It's Emery. Last known location, the Safari Park.
Okay, Chief, I'm ready to roll. Maybe I will get to do a rescue today after all.
So many animals and interesting creatures, each with their own unusual features. Thank you for taking Matumbo's wild ride. Decca is waiting, so please step inside.
Next stop, the riding. Careful on those stairs. Watch your step.
Matumbo! Emery's missing. Did you see which way he went?
Oh, no. Towards Longlow Tunnel, I think.
Huh? But I just came from there. Oh, bumpers.
Oh, great. It'll be dark soon and my battery's nearly flat.
So if he went through the tunnel and got water in his engine, he might have broken control. Ready to rescue!
Honking horns, how are they going to get Hodge down?
Tie balloons to him so he floats.
A large crane, maybe.
What about a big parachute?
Ah, bene. Here comes Chuck Patrol. They will know what to do.
Chuck Patrol! This is gonna be a challenge.
Oh, mate! Are you okay?
I've been better.
Eddie, could you lower yourself onto the platform and fix the mechanism?
Yeah, good thinking, Jackman.
Eddie, am I happy to see you?
Right. Let's get you down, mate. It's no use, it's completely jammed. Sorry, Hodge.
Oh, terrific.
Rattling rivets! I came as fast as I could.
Any ideas, Pete?
No! I've never known it get stuck.
There has to be a solution. We're just not seeing it.
What if Hodge has to stay up there forever?
At least he'll have a super duper view.
But with Chug Patrol, there must be something we can do.
Maybe the mechanism needs a really strong kick to free it.
Yes, but how from down here?
I know what to do. Hodge, aim your hose at the wall above you.
Okay.
Now turn the water on. Full power. I have a passenger run later. Where are you going?
To look for another way out of here.
Wait for me. We'll soon be free. We'll soon be back to work. We'll soon be... Oh, back to where we started.
Oh, it was a loop.
Come on, Brewster.
Zack really wants the welder back. Honking horns! The welder!
Huh?
I can weld the old rails.
Train-tastic, Brewster!
Easy does it. just need more heat. More everything. It worked.
Looks good.
I did it. I think. As solid as a rock.